Alright guys, you got the comb. The comb, you get it from the salon. Alright, let's get it. You get that shampoo biotin. I got that boy from Walmart, $4. That hard brush, had that done for like 4+ years, still good. Get it from the salon for like $3. And then the spray bottle, like $4. And then that Torino Pro, that junk was good, like $20 on the website, but we gonna get this shit. Let's get it. Alright, before we wash, we're gonna comb the hair. Just get under there, try to get all that junk out. Stay tuned, about to speed it up. Alright, you want to get your spray bottle. Again, you get it from the salon, $3-4. Spray your hair maybe twice, 3 times. Alright, let's speed this junk up. Alright, then you're gonna add that shampoo, maybe twirl it around there 3-4 times until you feel like it's good. Speed it up, bro.
Juki got the sauce, bitch.
Alright, after you wash your hair, get a nice little towel, dry your face. And the next clip is gonna be a scramble wash, so that's for like if your hair is trained. Let's get it.
Juki got the sauce, bitch. Chucky got the sauce, bitch.
All right, after you get done with that scramble wash, get a towel, dry your face. Hey, that scramble wash feels good, bro. But besides that, get the shampoo, get your hard brush. Let's get into this video, man.
Chucky got the sauce, bitch. Chucky got the sauce, bitch.
Alright, so after you finish brushing, go ahead and get your spray bottle. We're about to add some more shampoo in there, and then we're gonna lay it down. And the next clip, I'm gonna show y'all what I'm about to do. You can see here, we got the shampoo just added. About to lay it down. Let's go. Alright, so after you ragged up, got in the shower, just turn that bad boy on. Let's get it. All right, man, we getting to the end of the video. If you made it this far, hit that subscribe button, man. Hit that like button. Comment if you want to. Just tell me how my waves, you know, looking so far. And the end result's gonna be on my IG, so go check it out, man.
You got the sauce, bitch.